So I just got this in the mail from Amishmom. I should stop buying stuff from them, but you know, it's so convenient. And it came all like kind of beat up. I was like a little taken back by this. But let's go ahead, we'll open her up and see what we're gonna get in here. You know, it's got instructions and some glossy paper. We'll set that there. Let's see what we got here. This looks like it could be, I think this is the power cord. Yeah, it looks like that's what that is. It's kind of weird the way they laid this out. Here it is, right? And then what's this stuff? Oh, this we're gonna need because this is the stuff that you put in it. Look, it's a starter kit. Okay, that's good. And this we'll pull out. And we'll pull this out. And that's it right there. Take a look at it. Looks pretty cool. It's got this on here. Take that out. All right, now we got to pull it out of the box. But that's pretty much it right there. Let's take a look. So it does have all this stuff on it. So we got to get this off, right? Get all that off. Okay. And I think this pops up, and then we got one down here. And that just broke off of there. Whatever the hell that was. We may have to save this. I don't know what it is. But it's got like tape all over it. All right, so let's hang on to that. All right, so this pops up, and I think that once we plug it in, that'll move over. And that's where we put our ink. This is a completely different type of situation here. And I think this just pops up like that, and it goes down like that. And then this comes out, and yeah, that looks pretty simple. And then there's your plate. And I think that the feed for the paper's back here. Let's turn it around, take a look over here. Now this is supposed to have a, there's the cord there. And it's supposed to have a USB-C cord, or USB-A. But we'll have to take a look at that and see where it's at. You see that? And I think that is what you use to put into your computer. But you know what? I didn't see a cord come with it. This doesn't really come with any kind of booklet to set it up. It just comes with this. So I got to do a QR code. And it does come with some paper, right? And then it comes with these two and this cord. And I'm not sure what this was. I think this was supposed to be pulled out. But I guess we're going to have to go online and take a look at it and see what the deal is. Hopefully we can figure it out. And here is the box. There's the name of it, right? And yeah, did not come with a cord. That's the name of it right there.